Hey guys, the next step to cleaning up is to eliminate all of those high ACoS keywords, the ones that are getting clicks and getting sales, but really unprofitably. So it's important to be doing this on a regular basis. As you know, the average cost per click for a lot of keywords is becoming higher. Everything is more competitive. So over time, what could happen is the ACoS of a keyword that was doing really, really well like months and months ago could start to creep up on you. And it's really important to start to identify that right away. Now, what we're going to do inside of this video is I'm going to show you an example. Inside of Seller Central, I have all of my campaigns here. If I click on this one here, Strategic Top Sellers, you're going to see that I have lots of ad groups. I'm going to focus in on this one ad group, Pet Mats. Now, inside of this Pet Mats, I'm going to go to Targeting, and you're going to see that some of these keywords, overall, I'm really happy with 34.72, but in the last 30 days, this one keyword in particular has performed at 92.88%, 90, 84, and these could really use some optimization. General rule of thumb, if it's above like 60 or 70%, typically we're just going to lose money. There's kind of no way to really save that particular keyword. You can put it in another campaign with a much lower bid price. You are going to have less impressions. If it gets to be above a certain percentage, what I like to do is I like to pause that keyword. So now I could go ahead and do that and just do this one by one. But keep in mind, guys, there's all different ad groups and there's dozens of different campaigns. But even so, that could be well worth your time. What I would recommend doing is going on over to Entourage and clicking on selecting all of the campaigns and selecting all of the ad groups and then clicking on Find the high ACoS keywords. So now what we're doing is we're looking at all of your campaigns, basically all of these campaigns that are here inside of Seller Central and all of their ad groups, and we're just trying to find the high ACoS keywords, the ones that are just, you're getting the clicks, but they're not profitable clicks. So heading back over to Entourage, if you click on all campaigns, all ad groups, and then find high ACoS keywords, what's going to show up are the keywords inside of the campaigns and ad groups that are costing you the most amount of money. Now, this is set for 90 days worth of data, and over the last 90 days, this one particular keyword had an ACoS of 210%. Then it goes down. So it's descending in terms of the highest ACoS first. Now, what I would do is I'd want to go through these and really start to look at the ones that are just not doing well at all. And we have a couple ways that you can optimize based on high ACoS, which you can do. And what I would recommend for the ones that are really, really outliers, the ones that are just losing you a lot of money, is to go ahead and just click on pause. Pause those keywords, okay? That's one way. The other thing what you can do is you can adjust the bid. So if this is close, if it's like 70%, you may want to adjust the bid down to try to get it to be profitable. You can do that right inside of Entourage. The other thing, the third option, is to change it to what we call the new bid. So new bid attempts to align your ACoS with your average cost per click so that you can get a profitable sale. What it will do is it will lower your bid price down to whatever it needs to be so that if you get clicks, it will be potentially a profitable sale. So over here, as you can see, the new bid, the current bid price, we only have, our software only recommends a new bid if it has 10 clicks. So over here, we recommend the new bid of 25 cents. And over here, we recommend the new bid of 47 cents. So things are going down a little bit lower. This one goes from 61 cents to 2 cents. So as you can see, we make some recommendations. What I would suggest doing is on the really, really extreme outliers, the ones that are just costing you the most amount of money, go through these and then pause them. And then as you go down the list, ask yourself, is this something that is salvageable? And if so, how about I try lowering the bid price? And then if you get closer to your break-even ACoS, you may just want to either leave it alone or just lower your bid price slightly, or just align it to the new bid to see if we could tweak it a little bit so that it becomes more profitable. Okay, guys, I hope this was helpful. This is a really good way to clean up the keywords that are making sales but also losing you money every time you make that sale. One other little caveat, if you're selling something that is a product that people are going to come back and purchase over and over again, a consumable product, then you may consider losing money on a sale up front because people may come back the next time and buy that product. But also have a cutoff point. Any 200% ACoS is going to really, really screw up my numbers. It's going to cost me a lot of money. It's expensive. I wouldn't spend that kind of money on a consumable product. Probably would cut it off at like 65, 75, maybe 80%, depending on the type of product, but never 200. So this I'd want to pause. Okay, guys, keep slashing those keywords that are underperforming. What you could also do, just keep in mind, is you could put these in another campaign with a much lower bid price, the ones that you pause. You may want to try that out too. All right, see you in the next video.